PAE breaks its own immigration schedule with a surprise draw. Prince Edward Island has just done something unexpected. Again, in a move that surprised many immigration candidates, PAE has held its second surprise provincial nominee program draw of 2025, stepping away from its usual one-month invitation schedule. What happened in PAE's surprise draw? On 23 December, the PAE Provincial Nominee Program issued 13 invitations to apply through its Labour Impact and PAE Express entry pathways. What makes this draw different is who PAE chose this time. Instead of focusing mainly on candidates already working in PAE or recent graduates from PAE institutions, which have been the pattern for months, the province broadened its eligibility criteria. A shift in selection strategy. For the first time in several months, PAE considered candidates with weaker direct ties to the province, as long as they were working in priority occupations and sectors that support PAE's economy. This is a noticeable change from the previous 6 draws, which heavily favored PAE employer-supported candidates. Graduates from select PAE-designated learning institutions. Second surprise draw of the year. This draw is also PAE's second unscheduled draw in 2025. The first surprise round took place on 27 October, outside the province's planned draw calendar. While PAE hasn't officially explained the reason, there's an important factor behind these extra draws. Why PAE may be doing this? Provincial nomination allocations do not roll over into the next year. If a province doesn't use its full allocation by year-end, those unused spots are lost. That means PAE, like other provinces, may be accelerating invitations to make sure it fully uses its 2025 nomination quota, especially after significant allocation cuts earlier this year. Big picture for 2025 and beyond. In 2025, nearly all of PAE's invitations were issued through the Labour Impact and Express entry pathways, with only one invitation going to a business applicant. Looking ahead, 2026 is expected to bring higher provincial nomination targets, which could give provinces like PAE more flexibility. But for now, competition remains tight. What this means for candidates. This drawing sends a clear message. Even if you don't have strong provincial ties, your occupation and economic values still matter. Keeping your expression of interest active, accurate, and aligned with priority sectors is more important than ever. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.